Hi there, my name is Mike, and I'm one of the salesmen here at Gregg's. On today's episode of Gear Up with Gregg's, we're going to discuss all the different labeling possibilities and benefits of C.H. Hanson marking stamps. The line of C.H. Hanson marking stamps that we carry here at Gregg's will cover any situation you have, whether you need a standard grade letter set, a premier grade number set, or a dotted variant, we've got you covered. But hang on, what's the difference between standard grade, premier grade, and dot? Well, the standard grade stamps are your regular set, the one you'd use for medium to light use. Basically, these are the stamps you'd get if you plan on using them for occasional marking tasks like labeling tools or tags. You can stamp wood, leather, aluminum, brass, sheet metal, and steel easily with the standard set. Even label your favorite pair of work gloves. Premier grade stamps are perfect for prolonged industrial use, like using them on multiple keys, identification tags, or equipment. The tempered shank on these stamps provide a firm, easy grip. Premier grade stamps work on everything that standard grade stamps do, but also stainless and hardened steel, so you're sure to make your mark. Dot stamps, which are available in premier grade only, are designed to reduce the stress on a piece of metal created by the stamp. It does this by using a dot formation instead of the typical hard line, applying less stress to your material while still producing a crystal clear mark. After all, you wouldn't want to apply even an ounce of extra strain on any metal under pressure, would you? These low-stress stamps are often used in the aerospace, nuclear, and oil and gas industries for things such as high-pressure fittings. All of these stamps are made of steel, but we've even got stainless steel stamps for those industries where it's absolutely critical to avoid any cross-contamination between surfaces. But why would you even want to use stamps in the first place? Well, they're affordable, long-lasting, create clear marks, are durable, and come in a wide variety of options. After all, there's only so far you can get with something like a label maker or a marker that fades over time. These stamps will make clear markings that last longer than any alternative marking source, especially on material that is out in all sorts of weather. When you're using a hand stamp, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, always make sure you're wearing the proper protective equipment. Safety goggles or other eye protection is necessary when using a hammer and marking with hand stamps. You could even use some hearing protection as well if you're going to be stamping a lot of metal. Next, make sure you're using a solid, stable bench when marking. It's ideal to work over a support to eliminate any bounce or flexing of the surface you are working on. Use a flat piece of steel as a base to lay your parts on when marking with a hand stamp. C.H. Hanson takes the guesswork out of stamping with the labels on the side of the stamps. If you can read the letter on the stamp facing you, then you know it's going to show up exactly like that. Place the hand stamp onto the part to be marked and rock it back and forth to make sure the stamp is laying perfectly flat. So when you're all lined up, strike the stamp only once before quickly pulling the hammer away. If you swing the hammer but don't pull away, the hammer may bounce on the stamp more than one time, and you might end up with a double or even a triple indentation. Now that you know how useful these marking stamps are, I'm sure you'll be marking everything from your silverware to your gear. Whether you need letters, numbers, or a full set, we've got you covered. There is even do not duplicate, do not copy, and master stamps to save you time on these commonly used phrases in the locksmith industry. If you've got a unique use for these stamps, we'd love to hear it. So leave us a comment down below. And if you want more great content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Please don't hesitate to call us, or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Mike, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs. Have a great Canadian day.